Using AutoDS for Amazon dropshipping can streamline your product sourcing and inventory management, making it easier to run your online business. Here's how to effectively utilize AutoDS for Amazon. Create an AutoDS account. Sign up for an AutoDS account and choose a plan that fits your dropshipping needs. Connect your Amazon account. Integrate your Amazon seller account with AutoDS. Go to the settings and follow the prompts to link your account securely. Product research. Use AutoDS's built-in product research tools to identify profitable products on Amazon. Look for trending items with good sales velocity and competitive pricing. Import products. Once you find suitable products, import them directly to your Amazon store. Customize the product titles, descriptions, and prices to match your branding and attract customers. Set up automation. Enable AutoDS's automation features to manage inventory and pricing. This helps maintain accurate listings and minimizes the risk of overselling. Fulfill orders. When customers place orders on Amazon, AutoDS will notify you. You can fulfill these orders seamlessly through the platform. Analyze performance. Use AutoDS's analytics tools to track your sales and optimize your product selections based on performance metrics.